My name is Yuri. This is block number 2 about psychology in trading. I think it is also one of the essential part of your trading career. That's why, friends, what can I tell you? It's important what we will speak at this moment. It's so important, especially in your trading, and I totally recommend to every one of you to use it because I understand it looks like you got a lot of theory. You hear the theory in different places, but psychology, risk management, it is foundation. Without it, there will be no house. Psychology is like a foundation. It's a place where you can on which you can build a house, but it will not protect you from the wind. It's like you will make money only when you will have good entry exit points, but psychology, without it, you will blow out everything. And here I want to share with you what can happen with you and how you can avoid some pitfalls, some mistakes. That's why, friends, I hope this block will be useful for you. That's why let's go and let's start and let's start about our trading. First, about connection between psychology and trading. Many of you, I think, try to trade on a demo account, and you see the difference. When you risk real money, you see that sometimes it's hard to hold positions. Sometimes you hard to sleep. You need to understand when you will have big amount on your account, it will be harder for you to sleep, to stay calm. Especially if you're an emotional person like I am. It's really hard to just be out, and that's all. That's why, what can I tell you? That's why psychology, it is essential part, and let's speak about stop factors and their analysis, and I will explain you how it works in real trading. First, about an excitement, and it's a time when you're lucky and you make good profit, something like that. And friends, you need to understand, I made the biggest my mistakes in trading after good profit. It was always the same situation. Like I remember 1 year ago in summer, it was 1 year and a half ago in summer, I made a decent profit on gold, and after that in 2 days I blew out that profit, half of that profit in 2 entries, because I thought I can double or even triple my account. I made in one week 25%, and I put into another entry 5% risk of my capital, and goal was to double account and buy a new car. And you need to understand, market showed to me that Yuri, calm down, don't hurry up, and you need to learn that after good situations there could be something bad, and you need to prepare for it. And best what you can do, first, you can take a rest when you have good profits. Second, when you have good profits, withdraw part money. Always withdraw. Remember, when you withdraw, it's only you have profit only when you have it on your bank account and you can spend it. It is only one real profit which you have on your broker account. It's not real profit, because you cannot buy on that stuff anything, and it's easy to give that money back into your trading. Also, friends, another stuff, it's greediness. Also a huge reason why I lost a lot of money, and mostly it was like I said to myself that I want to make today 1,000 USD and I want to withdraw it. Today I want to do it, and what happened in most cases? In most cases, when I open a chart with such goal, like to make money every day, 1,000, market in most cases goes on against me, because according to my trading strategy, there is no such a lot of trading situation every week. For example, like this week there were 4 situation. On some week there could be like 2 or even 1 situation, and you need to wait and you need to be prepared for it, and you need to just be out. And greediness, when you every day want to make money, how you can resolve it? First, you need to understand you will not be able to make money every day on trading, and it is okay, it is part of our business. Second, you need to set realistic goals. How to set good goals, you will see in next block, especially when we will speak about entry points, technical analysis. In that cases, we will speak about that deeply. In this block, it's important you to understand that there could be something with you. Go ahead. High expectations, friends. Many of you start trading because you saw a lot of ad on YouTube, on other websites, something like that. And many people told you, or some brokers told you, that you will just open an account and you will make money. You will make millions with us. You need to understand. In most cases, it is a lie. I had worked in a fixed broker, and first account. 98% of people will blow out their first account. 98% of people first account. It's statistic of broker 5 years, which exists 5 years and has thousands of clients. And do you think you can change the statistic? You can be in 2% of other people. That's why you need to understand, when you start trading, first you need to start education. Second, you need to start with low money. You need to learn how everything works, and only after that you can increase your capital. First you need to increase your knowledge. Only after that you can increase your capital. You don't need to hurry up, because in most cases, like I told you, you will blow out your account. That's why, about your expectation, I recommend you to have no expectation in your first year, because in most cases, in the first year, if you will close it at zero, it will be really good. For example, like first 3 years I were negative, I didn't make money, and always I didn't make money. Only after that I were at zero. Like 2 years I were at zero, and only after that I started making money, after 5 years, because I didn't take good education and I didn't buy it. I was a student. I had lived for 100 USD per month. It was hard, but at this moment I have far bigger amount of money under management. Okay, friends. Okay. Okay. What can I tell you? What can I tell you next? About expectation, first your goal must be to create a system, to master it, and to be at least at zero. It will be really awesome goal first 6 months. After that, then you will be if you will be profitable. After that, you just start increase your capital and you increase your volume. That's the best approach. Yes, some of you can achieve that goal like quicker, some of you faster, and can do it like can master strategy in 2 months, 1 month. But some of you will do it a little bit slower, like you will need 1 year. And you need to understand, and you need to ask yourself, do you have that 1 year? Because if you don't have that 1 year, why you start trading? Maybe it's not for you. Maybe it's not your place. You need to understand the biggest mistakes of people who come into market. They believe they can make money quick and they can resolve their problems, like they can resolve problems and make money really fast. But I want to tell you a few stories. First story, it is about my student from Canada, Tahir. His name is Tahir, and he had a situation like he wanted to make money, and he took his money which he would need to pay for taxes, and he took it and put into account. And after that, when he blew out all that money, he wrote to me, he found me on TradingView, and we had started and we worked together. But his goal was turn 1k Canadian dollars into 32k Canadian dollars in few months, because he blew out that money and he believes that he can take it back. But take back from 1,000 to 32, it means to make 3,200% of net profit. It's huge amount of profit, and he didn't do it, and because expectations were so big. When you need to understand, when you have such expectation like to make 1,000% per year, your risk also must be the same. Your risk must be the volatility of your account could be more than 50%. It will be really good if you will have only 50% maximum drawdown. That's why, friends, about expectation, don't do huge expectation. And also, another example for you, few seconds, I will open our YouTube channel. We have a video, I record a video where you can see about some mistakes. It's another guy, his name is Mohammed. He wrote to me when he had account 163 or 4,000 and negative open profit, negative loss, better to say, 1,000 165,000. A few seconds. Few seconds. I want to find this video here. I hope you will see it. Yes, it's my face. A few seconds. Because at this moment I don't have access to his account. It's so sad that I didn't download. You can see 142,000 negative profit, negative open profit 142,000. And friends, that's an example of high expectation. What can happen with you if you don't do it properly? That's why first what you need to do, it will be your homework here on this. On this block, your homework will be to write your expectation and to write your plan, what you want to achieve, and send it to us. And first, it will be really important to write your current level. Like, I'm in trading 3 years. I don't have strategy, or I have strategy. I tested this strategy. I have positive statistic. And after that, you will need to write your goals, which you have. And only after that, we will write your feedback. Is your expectation really good? Okay, go next to the next stop factors. It is a fear of failure. Friends, those of you who like to do everything good, who like everything to have best mark, best score, you need to understand you will do a lot of mistakes in trading, and most of your mistake you will repeat many times. Some of them you will repeat few years. And what can I tell you? If you fear to make mistakes or failure, you need to go out from this market and forget about trading, because there will be a lot of pain, there will be a lot of tough decisions, there will be a lot of stressful situation when you will feel yourself badly, and you need to survive it. That's the reason why only lower percent of people can be traders, because you need to face your problems, you need to face your mistakes, you need to face a difficult situation, and you need to survive it. You need to make decision when you have pressure, when you have many entries in loss in a row. That's what can I tell you. That's the reason why you should do it. Okay. Okay, friends, that's why forget about it. About your strategy and about all mistakes which you do, first you need to learn how to analyze it. The best will be is to have a mentor, some who is better than you, who has more experience, and like me, you are here, you can send your statement and write it. I have problems with with entry points, I have problems with risk reward and something like that. The biggest problem that for us as for people, it's hard to analyze, to make analysis for ourselves. There always must be a person who will be better than us and will see us from different sides. That's why how to deal with loss analysis. First, what I recommend to you, to have a diary. I will add a lot of pictures to this blog, where you will be able to write all your thoughts, and it will help you trade better. You need to have a diary where you will write all your trades, what you did, what you didn't do, what you done bad, what you done good, and what you need to improve. It will help you increase your trading. Also, I recommend you have some traders with who you can work together, and they will be able to help you trade better. Okay, friends. Patience in trading. It's also an important topic. As you see at this moment, it's it's theoretical block. I understand it. I hope you are still here. I hope you don't sleep. But we need to cover it. Without it, there will be no trading, and it will help you build better foundation. Patience, friends. Sometimes it's so hard to trade easily, and sometimes it's hard to take best entries. But you need to understand that, for example, according to my strategy, I need to wait. Sometimes for a month or a week. Like, just take a look here. It's from this place to still this place, it is 1 month, and I waited for this entry 1 month. When price will come into this buy area, and after pullback I open buy position. I wait 1 month for this entry, and you need to learn how to wait. The same stuff here. Example for you. Few seconds. Few seconds, friends. I'm changing account. I'm changing account, and I want to share with you some trades which I made, and take a look here. Like example for you, this entry on DEX. Just imagine, I open entry at it was false breakout of 2018 high, as you see. It was false breakout of this place, and I wait for this entry, friends. I wait for this entry 1 month. 1 month. That's example of patience. Only when you will have patience, you will be able to open such accurate entry with such low risk, and potential reward was really amazing. And I'll be honest, I didn't take that I moved my stop loss into positive zone too early. That's why without patience there will be nothing. That's why you need to have it. At this moment, let's go to top 3 reason of emotional imbalance, because always it has a reason, and how you how can you do with that. When you use huge volume, it is the first reason of emotional imbalance. What can I tell about myself? I feel myself really badly only when I have huge volume, and other stuff we will speak in other places. Huge volume, it's a pressure, and if you what can I tell? There must be a volume in position which you afford to lose. Like you open a position, your risk per position 1%, and you can say to yourself, if price will hit stop loss, everything okay, I will survive. I will, my account will still will be alive. My family will have food, and it's okay for me. The biggest problem, such emotional problems creates when you trade with huge money. Example was with Muhammad, with his 160 account and 144 thousands of loss. For him, it is he need to work more than 1 year to recover that loss, and also part of that money he borrowed in his from his friend. And friends, and it's hard to speak about that. And when we spoke, when we were talking, he told me, I can eat normally, I can sleep normally. I have difficult with my wife because he too stressed. That's why first what you need to do, don't use huge volume, especially if you don't have strategy and if you don't have the rules when you use bigger volume. For example, my personal risk per position is 0.5%. There only one situation when I increase my risk into 1%. It is when price rise up to 2 or 3 ATR and hit some key level. Only in that cases I can open accurate entry with double risk. That's all. That's the only one reason. Okay, friends, let's go ahead. Let's go. Second reason of emotional imbalance, when we don't know what we are looking for in the market, and it's so good that you are here, you start learning how to trade. After this education, you will have such a few seconds. You will have such algorithm. We will help you to create it, especially if you are VIP, if you took VIP package. You need to understand what you are looking for in the market. For example, I trade false breakout. For me, important to find key level. After that, I wait for false breakout, and after that, I wait for open a position. Example here, DEX price made false breakout, daily candle close below, on a pullback, I open a position. False breakout, powerful level, and potential reward was in 10 times bigger. If be honest, price drop 1 to 15. That's how I open a position. After this education, you will have this trading algorithm. You will have step-by-step plan how to trade. This trading algorithm you will get when we will speak about entry-exit points, because after that you will need to summarize your strategy. You will need to write everything what you will trade. You need to write exactly. It's this what separate professional traders from amateurs. When you have your trading plan, you will trade completely different. Credit money, it's evil. It's evil. Never trade on credit money. Never, 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 never. On credit, you don't need to trade on credit money. Why? Because there will be a lot of emotional imbalance. Second, there are a lot of investors in the world who will share risk with you when you will trade profitably. For you, far more important to build good strategy, to learn how to manage risk, and after that, build statistic on small account. After that, you will find investor who will provide funds to you. But you don't need you don't need huge money for this. Most of problems which my investors had it was trading with borrowed money, because you always think how to recover it, how to pay it back, and nothing good happens from with it. Don't trade with credit money. Also, connection between your lifestyle and successful trading. If you want to trade properly, you need to create your approach, you need to create your routine, and that will help you trade far better. Example, when I started working in office, I totally changed my trading. Also, when I started working, it was a time when I had a job, and I woke up always at 6 a.m. and from 6:20 till 8 a.m. I were trading, and at that time I tried to learn something about market, to write trading plans and all of that. You need to understand, you need to have such you need to have a good lifestyle, you need to eat healthy food, because only when you will have enough rest, you will be able to work more, especially if you have your average job and you want to start trading. If you will drink alcohol and every evening, it will be hard to wake up in the morning and have a clear mind. That's why I totally recommend you have a clear mind if you want to trade good. And the last topic, friends, first, how to not get on wrong side of your family due to trade failures. First, it's important to have support in your family, because example with Muhammad, he had, better to say, 160,000 account, and he blew out that account. He blew out because DAX index rose up, and it hit stop losses on his account. And what was horrible, he told me that there were a lot of talks with his wife, and they didn't communicate good. That means he made a lot of mistakes, and sometimes such situation you can even be divorced. I know one man who lost all money, family money, everything, all savings, and after that girlfriend of that guy said papa to him, and you need to understand what you are doing. How you can what you can do if you lose money, it depends what person you are with. If you are with person who love you, and I think you will be able to go through it, but if you do, better always to not do that mistakes, better to prevent. Understand, never take savings of your family. First learn, build strategy, build statistic, and only after that you will be able to trade. Believe me, slower is better, because those who hurry up mostly lose their money. I hope this blog is useful for you. Your homework, first you need to write your goals. First write your current situation, like you lose money, earn money, and write your goals. In touch.